Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.